Yeah, we'll start with theory of equation. In that, one 2 marks question is there and one 7 marks question is there. First, we'll start with 7 marks question. So the question goes like this. Different types of questions will be there. Conditional based questions are there here. When the roots are in AP, how to solve? When roots are in GP, the procedure to solve. When the roots are in HP, how to solve? Then when conditional based, some conditions will be given, like roots are double the other, one root is double the other, roots are in the ratio, such kind of questions will be there. And one more question, reciprocal equation. Total 5 types of questions will be there. In that, last geometric progression question has come. When roots are in GP, find the solution or solve the equation. This question has come for the March exam. So this time we can expect the reciprocal equation or any kind of other. So for that, first we'll go to the we'll start with AP questions. First question, the equation will be given like this. Solve 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equals to 0. Roots are in AP. Roots are in AP. So here what is the condition? By taking roots are in AP, we have to solve the equation. So the procedure goes like this. First take the given equation. Given equation is what? 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equals to 0. Now apply given condition. What is given condition? Given that roots are in AP. Roots are in AP. General root means we will go for alpha, beta, gamma. When roots are in AP, what roots we have to suppose? Let A minus D, A plus D are the roots. Treat one root is alpha, the other root is beta. In the same concept, you have to go. We know sum of the roots formula. Sum of the roots, what is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus B by A. So here alpha means A minus D plus beta is A plus gamma is A plus D is equals to minus B by A minus of. Equation is in the form of the general polynomial equation like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d form. So here what is b? Minus 24x square coefficient by a. What is a value here? 4. Plus d minus d cancel. A plus a is 3a is equals to 4 1 the 4 6 the minus into minus plus 6. So A is equals to 6 by 3. A is equals to 2. If you observe, A is one of the root. So we got one root is 2. So when we know one root, we can find out easily the other root by using synthetic division. So here what we have to write? But A is the root of given equation. A is the root of given equation. By synthetic division, you have to use by synthetic division. What is synthetic division? You have to take the coefficients of the given equation in order. So first coefficient is 4. Next it is minus 24. Next plus 23. When it is plus, no need of writing plus. If it is minus, we have to mention. Next 18. Divide with 3. Divide with the value we got, a value is 3. So divide, a value is 2. Divide with 2. Come on, always first place take 0. Add 4 plus 0 is 4. Multiply both of them. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 24 plus 8, minus 16. Again multiply. 2 into minus 16, minus 32. 23 minus 32, minus 9. Now again, 2 into minus 9, minus 18. So the last place, leave it out. Now whatever the values you got, convert into equation. How to write into equation? Last term is constant. Before term is x term, then x square term. So this can be written as 4x square minus 16x minus 9 is equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it. Four x square minus 16x minus 9 is equals to 0. Solve the quadratic equation. 4 into 9, 36 minus 36. 36 factors. What we want? Minus 16 we want. 18 to the 36. Minus 18 plus 2 is minus 16. So come on, substitute here. 4x square minus 18x plus 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Take 2x common. So left out 2x minus 9. In the next two terms, there is nothing common. So take always 1. 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Again, both of them, 2x minus 9 common into 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So it is 1 root 2x minus 9 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, 2x is equals to 9, x is equals to 9 by 2. In the same way, 2x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So total how many roots we have? 2 roots are here. Already 1 root we got. Therefore, solution set. Therefore, solution set. What are the two values? Minus 1 by 2, comma 9 by 2, comma 1 value what we got? 2. So like this, you have to solve the arithmetic progression equation. When value is there, you will be getting root. Sometimes condition will be asked. When such kinds of questions are there, how you have to replace? The half of the procedure is same. After, instead of doing synthetic division, when condition is there, here you will be getting A is equals to numerical value, right? In that question, alphabet will come, like A is equal to P or A is equal to Q will be there. So in such cases, instead of going for synthetic division, direct A value you have to substitute in the equation. So whatever the simplified form is there, that equation you will be getting. There is one more question in this. I will write the question. You can practice it. So example question I am giving here. When roots are in AP, how to solve? The question is 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 is equals to 0. Given that roots are in AP, given that roots are in AP, by seeing this question, you can practice this as homework. So in your textbook, more 3 to 4 questions are there based on AP. You can practice by seeing this example. The second one. Next one. If roots are in GP, then how? Before going to the GP question, I would like to explain the polynomial equation. General polynomial equation means which is more than second degree equation, we call it as polynomial equation, right? Here, mostly we will go for cubic equation or fourth degree equation in this chapter. So fourth degree equation is called biquadratic equation. First we'll go for cubic equation. General cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. Cubic equation means how many roots will be there? 3 roots. So they are alpha, beta, gamma. Let alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. How to find out the values? S1, sum of one root. This can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Next, S2. S2 means sum of two roots like alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c by a. And S3, cubic equation, no? S1, S2, S3. So this will be alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d by a. Most of the time we will be using this formula. Suppose if you have biquadratic equation, then biquadratic means fourth degree equation. So this is first type, next, second one. Suppose if you have alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of fourth degree equation. Fourth degree equation will be in the form of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equals to 0. If an equation is like this, how you have to find out S1, S2, S3, S4? S1 is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So instead of writing all the terms, you can use sigma alpha is equals to minus b by a. Sum of the roots always minus b by a. S2 is a little bit difficult here. Product of two roots you have to write. How to take the product? First write the combinations with alpha, like alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta. Plus, after completing alpha, write all combinations of beta. Don't go in reverse way, only in forward direction, like beta gamma plus beta delta. Backward means beta alpha. Don't go in reverse way, only in forward way. Next, with gamma. Gamma is only one. That is gamma delta. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. Is equals to C by A. This is of your S2. Next, S3. S3 means product of 3 roots. 3 roots means start with alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma. Next, remove alpha. Another 3. Beta, gamma, delta. Next, remove beta, gamma, delta, alpha. Next, remove gamma, delta, alpha, beta is equals to minus d by a. Alternate, minus plus minus. Next, last one is S4. S4 means product of all 4. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equals to minus e by a. Minus e by a. So based on this formula, we will solve any kind of question. If it is cubic equation, you have to go for S1, S2, S3. And if it is a biquadratic equation, you have to go for S1, S2, S3, S4. If we have more like fifth degree equation, sixth degree equation, then the procedure is different. When it comes, we will go for that. Now, I will explain when the roots are in GP, geometric progression. The question is, solve 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 is equals to 0 Given that roots are in GP, given that roots are in GP, when roots are in GP, how to solve? The procedure goes like this. Solution. Given equation you take. Given equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 is equals to 0. In the final exam, this question is asked in the March exam, March 2023. What is given condition? Roots are in GP. So you apply given that. Roots are in GP. When he has given, then only we have to take the root. Otherwise, alpha, beta, gamma, we have to go. Roots are in GP. When roots are in GP, what roots we have to suppose? Let A by R, AR are the roots. A by R, AR are the roots. When roots are in AP, we have taken S1. When roots are in GP, directly go for S3. What is S3? Alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus D by A. Alpha means A by R, beta is A, gamma is AR is equals to minus D. What is D value? A, B, C, D. D value is minus 24 by A. A is 3. R cancel. A into A is A cube is equals to 3 1s are 3 8s are minus into minus plus 8. A cube is equals to 8. How to simplify? A cube is equals to 8, write it as 2 cube. Therefore, we can take it as what? A is equals to 2. If you observe, A is one of the roots. By taking that concept, you have to continue the remaining. But A is the root of the given equation. A is the root of given equation. Immediately what we have to do? By synthetic division. By synthetic division, take the coefficients in order. What are the coefficients of the given equation? X cube coefficient is 3 and x square coefficient minus 26. X coefficient is 52 and constant is minus 24. We have to divide by what? The value which we got. A is equals to 2. As I said, always the first place 0. Add them. 3 plus 0 is 3. Multiply again. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 26 plus 6. Minus 20. Multiply 2 into minus 20. Minus 40. 52 minus 40. 12. 2 into 12. 24. Definitely the last place will be filled with 0 only. Now, constant x and x square. This can be written as 3x square minus 20x plus 12 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation, right? Now, 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 36 factors we want. 6 6s are 18 2s are 18 2s are 36, right? 18 plus 2 is 20. So take minus 18 and minus 2. Minus 18 minus 2 is minus 20 and minus 18 into minus 2 is plus 36. So this becomes 3x square minus 18x minus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Take 3x common, x minus 6. Take minus 2 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Both of them common, x minus 6 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. One value of it, x minus 6 is equal to 0 and another value, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 6. So from here 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 by 3. So total how many values we have? Here 2 values and already we have one more value. Therefore, solution set. Therefore, solution set. 3 values together you write. No need of order, you can write any of the way. Generally ascending order will go. 2 by 3 is the least value. Next value is 2, then 6. So like this you have to give the conclusion. So once again, if question is about geometric progression, take the given equation as it is, whatever it is given. When roots are in JP, we have to suppose the roots by A by R, A, AR. When roots are in GP, you have to go for S3, product of roots. Alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus D by A. Substitute the values. You will be getting A cube is equals to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So therefore A is equals to 2. When we got one root, directly by doing synthetic division, we can find out the other root. So here what you have to write, but A is the root of the given equation. Therefore, by synthetic division, take the coefficients in order and do the synthetic division. We will be getting a quadratic equation. After getting quadratic equation, find out the roots. You will be getting 2 different roots here. So finally, the solution set become 2 by 3, 2 and 6. So there is one practice question here. So after going to this question, you can practice this question. I am writing this example question here. Question is, solve x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 is equals to 0. Plus 14x minus 8 is equals to 0. Given that roots are in GP. Given that roots are in GP. Practice this question. Next. After that, there is one more method here. AP over GP over. Next, the third one is HP, harmonic progression. If the roots are in HP, how to find out? We know AP and HP roots are reciprocal. So based on that condition, we have to solve here. The third one, solve 15x cube minus 23x square plus 9x minus 1 is equals to 0. Given that roots are in HP. Given that roots are in HP. HP means harmonic progression. How to solve such kind of question? Same, take the given equation. Given equation is 15x cube minus 23x square plus 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is given? Given that roots are in HP. When roots are in HP, we are not having any particular root to take. So you have to convert HP equation into AP. For that, what we have to take? Put x is equals to 1 by y. What is the substitution here? Put x is equals to 1 by y. Go to the equation and substitute. So which implies 15 x cube means 1 by y cube minus 23 into 1 by y square plus 9 into 1 by y minus 1 is equals to 0. Take LCM. Y cube is LCM. So here 15 minus 23y plus 9y square minus y cube. You cross multiply, y cube goes to 0. Write in reverse order. If you write reverse order, minus y cube plus 9y square minus 23y plus 15 is equals to 0. Take minus common, y cube minus 9y square plus 23y minus 15 is equals to 0. Minus goes to the other side. So left out equation is y cube minus 9y square plus 23y minus 15 is equals to 0. Now keep this is our final equation to solve. Here see, given equation is in x, we substituted x by its reciprocal kind of value 1 by y. So we got equation is in terms of y. It means this is the reciprocal equation of the given equation. The given equation roots are in HP. So reciprocal equation roots will be what? In GP. So here the roots, here we have to take the roots of the equation are in AP. Now take AP roots. Let AP roots are A minus D, A plus D are the roots. Immediately when roots are in AP, we have to go for S1. S1 formula, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus B by A. Alpha, beta, gamma value substitute. A minus D plus A plus D is equals to minus A and B values. Here you have to take from this equation. Minus 9 by 1. D getting cancelled. A plus A, 3A is equals to 9. So A is equals to 9 by 3. 3 1 the 3 3 the. A is equals to 3. One root we got. So by taking this, we have to find out another root. Here what we have to write? But A is one of the roots. A is one of the roots. So for finding another root, what we have to do? By synthetic division. By synthetic division. Take the coefficients in order of the previous equation. Okay. Take the equation from here. Coefficients are what? 1, minus 9, 23 and minus 15. So 1, minus 9, 23 and what is the constant? It is minus 15. Minus 15. Now divide by 2. 0 all in the first place. Add them. 1 plus 0, 1. Multiply 2 into 1, 2. Add minus 9 plus 2, minus 7. Again multiply 2 into minus 7, minus 14. 23 minus 14, 9. And 2 into 9, it is 18. So we are getting it is 0. So this is the given equation, right? So x square minus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation, solve it, you will be getting the value. So they are the roots of the given equation, like how you have to go. Next. Another concept, reciprocal equation. So mostly you have to focus on AP and GP question. Next one, reciprocal equation. This is also an important concept. Reciprocal equations basically two types, odd degree and even degree. Odd degree reciprocal equation and even degree reciprocal equation. In odd degree, again two types are there, class 1 and class 2. In even degree also two types are there, class 1 and class 2. If it is class 1 reciprocal equation, minus 1 is the root. Minus 1 is the root. Directly you can say minus 1 is the root. But how to identify it is a reciprocal equation of class 1? F of 0 value, if you get A naught. Means highest coefficient value and constant value is same. We say that it is reciprocal equation of class 1. If it is value is same but opposite sign, minus A naught, we call it is class 2. Here 1 is the root. 1 is the root. In the same way, even degree reciprocal equation class 1, how to identify? If f of 0 is equals to A naught, then no root for this. Yesterday we did even degree reciprocal equation, divide by x square, that is the procedure. And here class 2, how to identify class 2? F of 0 is equals to minus A naught. Then minus 1 and 1 are the roots. Minus 1 and 1 are the roots. Example. What is odd degree reciprocal equation? Class 1. Odd degree means highest power of x will be an odd number. You can take any of the equation like x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here it is 5 is the highest power of x. So it is odd number. That is why we call it is odd degree. How to identify it is reciprocal equation or not? Constant coefficient of x power 5 and constant. Same, right? Coefficient of x power 5 is 1 and constant also 1. This is plus 1, that is also plus 1. Next highest power is minus 3 and coefficient of x is minus 3. Along with the sign, the value is same. So that is why we call it is class 1 reciprocal equation, right? Then if it is class 2, example for class 2, same equation let me write. X to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. You might have observed coefficient of x power 5 is 1 and constant is 1 but opposite sign it is minus 1. In the same way, second highest power coefficient is minus 3 and x coefficient is plus 3. Numerically it is same but opposite sign. That is why we call it is what? Class 2. So whenever such kind of equation is there, directly you can go for 1 is the root. If it is odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1, we can go for minus 1 is the root. No need of going for trial and error method. If it is a reciprocal equation and tallied the condition, directly we can take the root. Then even degree class 1, x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. It is highest power is 4. That is why we call it is even degree. Is it reciprocal or not? How to identify? Coefficient of x power 4 and constant is same and x cube coefficient and x coefficient is same. So we call it is even degree class 1 reciprocal equation. For this, no root. So what is the procedure to do? Divide by x square. That is the procedure. Then class 2 even degree reciprocal equation. Example is x to the power 6 minus 2x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. If you observe here, x to the power 6 is an even number. That is why we call it is even degree. Then reciprocal or not? Coefficient of x power 6 is 1 and coefficient is minus 1, opposite in sign. Not only one element, the remaining also it should tally. Second highest power coefficient is minus 2 and x coefficient is plus 2, opposite sign again. Next, third highest power coefficient is plus 4 and x square coefficient is minus 4. So all are numerically equal but opposite sign. That is why we call it is what? Even degree reciprocal equation of class 2. If it is such equation, what are the roots? Minus 1 and 1 are the roots. So this is the main basic of the reciprocal equation. By keeping in this mind, we have to go for the question. So this is also the most important question you can expect this time for 7 marks question. Now, solve reciprocal equation. He will not mention it is reciprocal. Just the question goes like this. Solve six x to the power 6 minus 25x to the power 5 plus 31x to the power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 is equals to 0. Question will be asked like this, solve. So sometimes we feel it is difficult. There is no condition how to do. Immediately you have to remember the reciprocal equation. If it is that, whenever the question is come from theory of equation, first go with the reciprocal, then only you have to go for the conditional based question. It is 6th degree equation. So we know it is even degree. Reciprocal or not, how to identify? If it is plus 6 and it is minus 6. If it is minus 25, it is plus 25. And if it is plus 31, it is minus 31. What we observed here, numerically they are equal, but opposite in sign. So, reciprocal equation of class 2. So, here what to write? Given equation is an even degree reciprocal equation. Is an even degree reciprocal equation of class 2. You have to mention here why it is class 2. Since f of 0 value is equals to minus a naught. Since f of 0 is equals to minus a naught. So immediately what are the roots? Therefore, minus 1 and 1 are the roots. Minus 1 and 1 are the roots. If we know even though a single value, by doing the synthetic division, we can find out the other root. Here also, 2 roots are there. So we can do synthetic division. By synthetic division, take the coefficients in order. Every time I am mentioning, take the coefficients in order. Here see, first is x power 6, coefficient 6. X power 5 coefficient minus 25. X to the power 5 coefficient plus 31. After x power 4, what is there? X square. But it is supposed to be what? X cube. X cube term is missing. That missing term you have to take 0. If you take 0, then only the solution will come. Otherwise, the total question will go wrong. X cube coefficient is 0. Next, x square is minus 31 and x coefficient 25. Then constant is minus 6. We know one root. First, we'll take any of the root. We'll take one root is minus 1. Take the first position 0. 6 plus 0, 6. Multiply minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Add them, minus 25 minus 6, minus 31. Multiply, minus 1 into minus 31 is 31. 31 plus 31 is 62. Multiply, minus 1 into 62 is minus 62. 0 minus 62, minus 62. Again, minus 1 into minus 62 plus 62. 62 minus 31, 31. Minus 1 into 31, minus 31. Again, 25 minus 31 is minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. Last place, remove. Again, you have another root 1. Same, take 1 and do division again. Take the first plus 0. Add 6 plus 0, 6. 1 into 6, 6. Minus 31 plus 6, minus 25. Multiply 1 into minus 25, minus 25. 62 minus 25, 37. Multiply 1 into 37, 37. Minus 62 plus 37, minus 25. 1 into minus 25, minus 25. 31 minus 25, 6. 1 into 6, 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So with two roots, we did synthetic division and we got a certain equation. This equation is what? Which kind of equation it is? Calculate. Constant x, x square, x cube, x to the power 4. Fourth degree equation we got. So by taking this equation, you have to solve the further procedure. So what is that fourth degree equation? 6x to the power 4 plus minus 25 x cube, 6x to the power 4 minus 25 x cube plus 37 x square minus 25 x plus 6 is equals to 0. Is it not? Just check once. 6x to the power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6. It is fourth degree equation. We don't know how to solve the fourth degree equation. So again, what to do? Yesterday we did. If it is fourth degree equation, directly what I said, divide by x square. Here if you observe, it is again a reciprocal equation. See, coefficient 6 and 6 are same. Minus 25 and minus 25 are same. So what to do? Is an even degree. Here you have to mention. Is an even degree reciprocal equation of class 1. Because signs are same. It is class 1. Why it is class 1? Since f of 0 is equals to a0. For this, no root. So what to do? Divide the equation. Divide by x square. Take the equation and divide. 6x to the power 4 by x square minus 25x cube by x square plus 37x square by x square minus 25x by x square plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. Here x square cancel, 6x square minus x square cancel, minus 25x plus 37 and here minus 25 by x plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. From first and last term, take 6 common. Put together x square plus 1 by x square. From second and second last term, take minus 25. So x plus 1 by x plus 37 is equal to 0. You might have observed the same kind of question we solved yesterday. What is the substitution here? Directly you can take the substitution as let x plus 1 by x is equals to constant a. First term what we have? X square plus 1 by x square we have. Need not do for the lengthy procedure. Directly you can go for x square plus 1 by x square value, a square minus 2. Now go to the equation and simplify. So go to this equation. 6 into a square minus 2 minus 25a plus 37 is equals to 0. Simplify. 6a square minus 12 minus 25a plus 37 is equals to 0. So 6a square minus 25a, 37 minus 12, 25. We got a quadratic equation. So solving 25 into 6, 150. Yeah? 25 into 6, 150. 15 tens are 150. So minus 10 and minus 15 is what? Minus 25. So this can be written as 6a square minus 15a minus 10a plus 25 is equals to 0. Once check whether the equation is correct or not. 6a square instead of minus 25a minus 15a and minus 10a plus 25. From first two terms, take 3a common. So 2a minus 5. Next two terms, take minus 5 common. 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. So 2a minus 5 into 3a minus 5 is equals to 0. Take two terms separately. 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. 3a minus 5 is equals to 0. And 2a is equals to 5. Therefore, a is equals to 5 by 2. Here again, 3a is equals to 5. Therefore, a is equals to 5 by 3. Solve means we want x value, but here we got a value. This is not our answer. Now, case 1. Case 1. What is case 1? If a is equals to 5 by 2. A value is x plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 2. Take LCM. X square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 2. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 2x square plus 2 is equals to 5x. Bring 5x this side. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Quadratic equation factors we will be getting 2 to the 4. 4 factors are minus 4 minus 1. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Taking 2x common here, x minus 2. In another term, take minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equals to 0. So again x minus 2 common, x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, x is 2. And from here, 2x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 2. 2 more roots we got. Actually, we are supposed to get 6 roots. Already minus 1 and 1 are there. 2 and 1 by 2 we got. More 2 we have to check by taking case 2. What is case 2? If a is equals to 5 by 3. If a is equals to 5 by 3. What is a? X plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 3. LCM. X square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. Cross multiply. 3x square plus 3 is equals to 5x. Bring 5x this side. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. 3 is the 9. We are not getting factors for 9. We have factors, but we won't get minus 5 here. So when we do not get factors, we have alternate method, factorization, right? So go with the factorization method. X is equals to minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. B value is minus 5 plus r minus under root minus 5 whole square minus 4, a is 3, c also 3 by 2a, 2 into 3. So minus into minus plus 5. plus or minus under root of 25. And here what are you getting? 4 3s are 12 3s are 36. 25 minus 36 by 6. So 5 plus or minus under root of minus 11 by 6. Inside the root we are getting imaginary. So to remove that, what we have to do? So we got x is equals to minus 5 plus or minus under root of minus 11 by 6. To remove the root, use I square. I square value is minus 1. So minus 5 plus or minus under root of minus means I square into 11 as it is by 6. Minus 5 plus or minus under root of I square is I. Root 11 as it is. By 6. Here if you take plus one value, if you take minus another value. Now total solution set by keeping all roots together, solution set is first we got minus 1 and 1 are the roots. Next what roots we got in the equation? 2 and 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2. Now what are the roots? Minus 5 plus or minus under root 11 by 6. So total how many roots we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sixth degree equation, by solving it, we got 6 roots. So like how you have to solve the reciprocal equation of even degree. So I will give some similar question. You can practice odd degree equations of class 1, odd degree equations of class 2. Every equation ends with even degree reciprocal only. So you can solve the same kind of question by taking the chart. One question is there. This you can do it as per practice. Solve 2x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus 12x cube minus 12x square plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Roughly I can say this is the odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1. So what is the root? By taking directly minus 1 is the root, then go for the synthetic division, then the rest of the procedure is same. So like how you have to take. One more is there, that is also you can try. The second one, solve x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 9x cube minus 9x square plus 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. If you see this, this is also odd degree reciprocal equation. Signs are different. Odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2. For odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2, what is the root? 1 is the root. By taking 1, do the synthetic division and rest of the equation procedure is same. So like how you have to complete the reciprocal equation. With this, I am concluding the class for today. So tomorrow we will learn the next method in this theory of equations. Thank you.